Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie down below so you can grab it. I wanted to go ahead and stuff my savings challenges, and I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, $32 that I'm working with today. And I'm not certain I have change in any of my binders, but I know that I had an e-buck and a k-buck that I needed to save. I am saving b-bucks, but I'm only saving b-bucks if I have a d as well. So the k and e we're going to take care of today. So my letter bucks are in the back of this photo album. Alright, so first up we have E, which is getting $1. Alright, and now in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 e-bucks. These savings challenges are actually in our shop, link down below. And I'm only working on 4 letters. So next up is a k-buck. And my k-bucks now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. And the k-bucks are basically my buffer. That's what I've decided to use it as. Okay. So now that we've taken care of that, we can work with the rest of this cash here. And I think we need change because I don't have any. Was I to change last time? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Two, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so seeing as though I don't have change, clearly I'm not prepared to do a savings challenge cash stuffing, but what I will do is roll the dice. Since we have 6 savings challenges, we'll pull 2 bills, and that's what we're going to do today. We have a couple of $5 in there, a couple $2. Let's see how this goes. 1, 1, 1. Okay, that's weird. Okay, it looks like this one's already This one looks like it's finished. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 1 is out. 4. 4. Oh my goodness, we're doing this, huh? 2. 5. 5. 3. And it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. This savings challenge only needed 4. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. And should I just roll this one? Seems like we should, if we have change, we should go ahead and split it up. Oh, okay. I'm just going to roll a 5. It's, okay, number 6. Number 6. Perfect. I wanted to get change, but we're not going to do that today. We're just going to go ahead and move forward. So all of these savings challenges you'll find linked in our shop. You'll find them in our shop, and the link will be down below. That's what I'm trying to say. English, Silynthia, English. All right. So we're going to go ahead and add this last $9 here. And we know it's completed, but I like actually coloring it in and making sure of it. All right, so we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20 completed now for this savings challenge. The next savings challenge is getting $2. This one is our spa savings challenge. This one was a coffee and budgets. So I have $2 here. I think I'll color in it too. And this one may take me a while because of the amounts. It has specific amounts. So, but we'll see how that goes. I was trying to challenge myself a little bit. Sometimes I get a little arrogant thinking that I can save. And I'm doing okay. You know, I'm going to keep trying. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this savings challenge is an anime collection. And we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19. Next up we have $2, $4, $5, $6 going into our spring collection. It is the Melanin Spring. Did I just say $6? Seems like so much money at once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! Alright, then we have $2, $3, $4, $5 going into our werewolf savings challenge. And, yep, I'm doing $2, so 1, 2, 3. Oh, I thought I just said 5. Did I say 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess I said 4. My bad. Okay. Let's see. Where's my marker? I'm not sure if this looks different. 1 and 2. That's $4. Now in total we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 for the werewolf. Alright, and then we've got $5 going into our 26-week savings challenge with the fairy. And I am, actually, it's according to the weeks, I'm on week 9, but I just use this as a roll and save 26 times to complete this one. So hopefully I get a nice chunk of money saved here. But this one does come with A6 envelopes, the tracker, the whole 9, so it's a cute little setup. I decided I would just use the tracker. Alright, so we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, $37. Wow, that is insane. Alright, so we have a couple of savings challenges that are completed. And I think since we are heading into February soon, I'll go ahead and get my February challenges. This one is the, I'm doing a roll and save for it for Christmas. And, excuse my reach. So for January, this month, I save the money. I have it clipped here. I haven't quite figured out how I'm going to make this work, but I did decide it would be pretty cool of me to save all of the months and then put it into my Christmas binder and see what we come up with. So hopefully beginning of December I'll be able to push through that last month. But anywho, that's what I've got for January, and so we'll put February here. You know what? Yeah, we'll just go ahead and put it there. And then we completed one other savings challenge here. And let's put this February savings challenge. So if you purchase this one, you do have an option to get it as a scratch off. And scratch offs, while they are fun and incredible and just great for some people, they're not necessarily great for me. I need to see what I'm working with. These are some higher numbers, so I know for sure that this is going to take me a couple tries. I mean, unless I come across a nice chunk of money. But anywho, okay, we've filled up our other savings challenges that we're going to add to this binder and keep working on. I did have a suggestion to maybe work on completing some savings challenges before I move on to other ones. And I've thought about that. I think I may consider it, especially if I'm able to cash stuff before, if I'm able to get back into this binder before February begins, then maybe I'll skip February and try to focus on some of the other savings challenges. These are going to take me a while though, so trying to focus on them, I'm not sure. And I did it. I did that a couple times since somebody had mentioned it to me, Miss Tara, saying to complete the savings challenges. It is a great idea because then I can do more sinking funds cash stuffings. But I am going to work on that in my freebie savings challenges, trying to get through those before adding more. So we've gone ahead and stuffed our savings challenges. We've completed 2 more of them and got a couple letter books, and can you believe that? Is so awesome. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.